la la la. Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys. It's a surprise. Ugh. The Nintendo Switch. Dun, 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 dun. Beep beep. Dun. Oh wait. I loved it. Oh my god, I finally got the Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch is my love. Is it a boy or a girl? Nobody knows. Okay, let's open it! Alright. Okay, let's start with these. Oh my god. Here it is. The Nintendo Switch! Oh! There it is. Let's take these out. Oh my god, look. Oh, leave them inside the box until I need them. Okay, let's put them in. I'm gonna use the TV later. I'm gonna use the TV mode later. Who closes this properly? Oh, you open this side. Well, this is the way I open it. And, wait, that's the wrong one. Never do that. Alright, let's put it on. Right. Look! I finally got the Nintendo Switch. Can you see it? Stop being blind, people. Stop being blind! Can you see it? Yes, thank you. I can proof. What? I'm gonna play Splatoon 2. Oh my god, I have the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Let's watch my video unboxing Nintendo.